Toyota Axio 2017 X package, non-hybrid. Today I'll show you how PCS, pre-collision system work in this car. When you start the car, the system automatically on. So there is a button you can press one time, two time, three time. So you can see three dot. Three dot mean more sensitivity. If you doesn't want PCS, just press 3 seconds. Now PCS on with 2 dot. Now check this out. At the speed of 35, it gives signal. So I give you another example at night time. 3 dot on sensitivity. So at the speed of 20, it gives me signal. So after hearing beep sound, if you don't press brake, engine will automatically brake. Now the question is, does this system always work? No, absolutely not. Especially in Bangladesh, it doesn't work all the time.